You believe in what we are, you believe in what will be. Give me strength so I can stand beside you. No truth to confirm, no lies to deny, too hopeless to care, we're too scared to cry. You and I, hold me tight. You and I, gotta fight. You and I, side by side. You and I, say goodbye. You and I, feels alright. You and I, holding tight. You and I, side by side. You and I, for the rest of our lives. Just aside to an English street, criticized for what we believe. If we hide, maybe we can make it through this. Is it fair to be burned away? Is it fair that we live this way, victimized for a life we didn't ask for? No truth to